garage. I figured I'd take advantage of the nice day. We're kind of stuck in the house / yard with this virus crap that's going on. So I figured I'll take advantage of the nice weather and do a little bit of work. So working on a 2011 GMC Acadia. I ordered a cabin air filter for both of my cars and one of my trucks. So I figured I'll make a video in case somebody has never done it before. Glove compartment. I had to clean all the crap out of it that my, well, either way, there was a bunch of crap in there, and you can see there's still some in the back. This is our napkin holder, basically. If you have children, you know what I mean. So, this again, very similar to my other car. It had, I'm not going to call it a shock, but it acts very similar to that. This keeps the glove compartment door from coming down real hard. As you can see, you just pull on it. There's a slot right there. You pull on that and you can pull this out. And then these two locking pieces here. I've never done this before in this vehicle, but I looked at it before I figured I'd make this video. So that'll come out. Same with this side. And pull that out. Okay, that allows this thing to fall. Now, if you're like me, you got a whole hidden stash of napkins and other crap that falls out of the glove compartment. Here is the door. It has two tabs right here. Looks like there's two on the bottom, two on the top. And does that just hinge down? Oh, okay. Oh, it slides completely out. Okay. And looks like it's missing. So this vehicle didn't even have a filter in it. That's great. So I'm going to put the filter in, push this back in, and put this back together the way it came apart. If you guys have any questions or comments, that's interesting that this didn't even have a filter, but we bought it used. Had it for about 4 years. Again, it's a 2011, so somebody may have taken it out for some reason. But if anybody has any questions or comments, please ask. Please like this video. Hopefully this is helping somebody out. Thanks. Bye.